one side is the FinOps Foundation is unable to respond because they don't have a clue how things are costed in the public cloud. And on the other side, the hyperscalers are unwilling to respond. Because if they do respond or become part of the FinOps Foundation, all their secrets are revealed in terms of how they do their costs. And the FinOps Foundation was trying to say, well, I need disclosure. I need to know this so I can recalculate my cloud units or whatever unit of measurement I'm going to use and so on. So one side is unable because they don't have the truth. They don't have all the formulas and cost tables and whatever that are used by the hyperscalers or indeed really anybody. And on the other side, they're unwilling to respond.
And in that, you've just summarized in one sentence the whole state of the economy, if you like. We talk about in marketing sort of theory.
I'm not that good.
But they talk about perfect markets and imperfect markets. And the reality is, unless you have perfect knowledge, you can't have a perfect market. And you're never going to have perfect knowledge because you're going to have that. Just said.
The criticism of the FinOps Foundation is that they're not doing that. It's flawed and it's failing. Is the wording that I'm picking up on that. Again, I've got evidence for all of this. I'm not just talking for myself or attacking the FinOps Foundation. This is what other people are saying, right? And I'm merely commenting on that and then looking at the way that they approach things.